Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So to do this, you simply have to go to the settings, then to the wallpaper section. So here, if you want to set your own image that you can download from the internet, or set up any other image that you took any photo that you took with your camera, just go to the profile, wallpapers, then my life wallpapers, tap on add file, then you can select an image which you want to set, but you will get the information the file format isn't supported, so I don't know which kind of files are supported. So I have to pick one of the proposed wallpapers from the store. For example, this Puppy Laughs, Fast and Furious wallpapers. Wow, so based. Beautiful quotes. I like text. Just beautiful. I don't know which one I should pick. Cute animals. Lifestyle. What's with these wallpapers? Okay, I'll go with these ones. Then tap apply. Then you have to select if you want to set it on lock screen, on home screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.